Welcome back, affiliate marketers. This video, we're going to go over copywriting and why it's so important in your affiliate marketing skills. Okay, copywriting is the ability to be a powerful communicator. In order to get someone to click on your affiliate link and purchase a product or service, you have to be a good communicator. There's no way around it. There's no sales funnel, click funnel, or special hack that you can just automatically get sales. It's all in your copywriting, okay? It's all in your speech, your communication. That's why it's so effective to do a live video on YouTube or Facebook. I would say that's the most effective way, because if you combine live video with good copy, good communication, you can really close that deal, get people to click your link. But if you're just running still ads, where it's not live video, it's not recorded, you definitely have to have good copywriting skills. Okay, copywriting is universally valuable. It's the ability to influence on a mass scale. Okay, if you can copywrite well, you can sell to anyone. Okay, you could sell to anyone that's in your niche, that's even thinking about a fitness product or a relationship product or a business entrepreneurship product or service. Okay, copywriting is very powerful. It's one thing that I've excelled at, and I want to teach you, because really it takes time to develop. But once you get it down and you see good copy out there, you'll be able to recognize good ads. We're going to go over some of those examples of good ads. But when you can recognize a good ad with good copy, you could just emulate that. Okay, it doesn't take much work once you see who's doing it well. Okay, 5 keys to a profitable advertisement. The 5 keys would be elicit emotions in the headline. Okay, you're going to want to target that reptilian part of our brain. Okay, tap into the primal emotions: sex, fight or flight. Make it highly emotional. Make them think about really deep emotions such as stress or anxiety or discontent, or it could even be positive. Make them think of optimism, happiness in the future, right? Being able to envision oneself being at a higher place. Okay, you're going to want to elicit either very, very positive emotions or target those negative emotions and provide them with a solution. Okay, whatever angle you want to take is fine. Make it easy to understand, common language in your copy. Okay, when you're making an ad, you don't want to put vocabulary that people can't understand. You want to just make it simple and easy to read. You want to speak to the inner voice in the person's head. Okay, to the shadow self, the person they don't want to be, the ego. Okay, no one wants to live in that state of discontent or non-abundance, right, or unfulfillment. Speak to that person, because when you speak to that person in their head, they're going to think about maybe some of the things they're going through, and wow, this person is providing the answer. Whether it be a health supplement, right? Whether it be a health supplement like fish oil to improve cardiovascular health, that's a good one. Whether it be a dating website, right? Whether you affiliate market a dating website and help people, really get out there and put themselves out there to meet that right person. Okay? Or entrepreneurship and business niche, right? You could be in that as well. Groceries. We talked about Amazon Fresh. You prepare some good meals. What does a good meal look like? And target that person, because there's a lot of people out there that are going out and buying McDonald's or buying some fast food, and you can really show them that, hey, these foods are the best. They're reasonably priced. You can get them on Amazon Fresh and they'll deliver it to your door. So connect with that person. Promote an offer that works, right? All the affiliate offers that we're teaching you in this course, most of them in all the affiliate networks, Max Bounty, CJ Affiliate, are really good offers. You'll know if an offer works or not, because you would think to yourself, okay, would this work for me if I was in that position, right? You have to put yourself in the head of someone that's going through that issue or that problem and needs a solution. Okay, so you have to remember that too. You're the producer now. You're going to be putting out affiliate links to products. You're going to be selling products and services. So you need to go into the mindset of the consumer. What would they like, right? Not what would you like, because you're the producer now. So some of the stuff you may like or not like is not going to be the same as the consumer. So again,